So hey everyone, in this video we would be looking at how we have to improve our forward bending in easy steps. So here you would be getting 5 stretchings and which are completely basic, and this is part 1 of this forward bending series. You would be getting part 2 and part 3 also, in which you would be learning a bit more advanced. So here we are doing while sitting, so you would be getting to know which muscle it is focusing on. And basically the forward bending focuses on your hamstring muscle, calf muscle, and along with that it focuses on your sideward muscles of the spine. So we would be working on completely opening the muscles. So watch the video till the end, and whatever doubt or any query if you are having, you can text me over my given WhatsApp number, or you can comment down. I would be trying to respond. If you want to join online yoga classes, you can text me over the given WhatsApp number. Starting with the first stretching. In the first stretching, fold the leg till the thigh. अपने पैर को thighs तक fold करेंगे. Stretch the body upward and after exhaling, try to bend down. Continuously stretching. सामने झुकेंगे, लगातार body को stretch करेंगे. Continuously do. We are doing with one leg and then we would be doing with other leg also. एक पैर से होने के बाद दूसरे पैर से भी try करेंगे. It is focusing on the hamstring muscle completely. In the video you would be looking that where it is focusing on. It is focusing on the hamstring muscle completely, the muscles of the thighs. Relax. Thereafter moving for the second stretching. In the second stretching you have to continuously stretch the hands forward. Both legs are completely straight. Like the swimming, your hands are going from the side and then coming back. आपके दोनों हाथ जैसे स्विमिंग में हमारे हाथ साइड से जाते हैं, वैसे जा कर के वापस आएंगे. एंड इतना होने के बाद आप इसे और भी एडवांस कर सकते हैं. इसे और भी एडवांस करने के लिए आप बिना पीछे वापस आए वहीं पास कंटिन्यूसली डाउनवर्ड पुश करेंगे. You would be pushing it downward continuously from the same position for making it more advanced. In this you are not taking the hands backward as the previous exercise you were doing. Now moving for the next stretching. The third stretching is when your one leg is folded like the वज्रासन. एक पैर आपका वज्रासन की पोजीशन पर फोल्डेड है एंड आप अपने पैर के ऊपर बैठ नहीं रहे हैं. यू आर नॉट सिटिंग ओवर द एंकल इज इन द साइड एंड देयर आफ्टर यू आर ट्राइंग टू बेंड डाउन ऑन द फ्रंट लेग. उसके बाद आपका जो पैर सीधा है उसमें आप कंप्लीटली बेंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Try that your knee is not bending when you are bending forward, means the leg which is forward, it should be completely straight. And I am showing the completely advanced one, but if you are completely beginner then you can go half of that. अगर आपसे completely नहीं हो पा रहा है नीचे तक, तो जहाँ तक भी आप जा पा रहे हैं वहाँ तक जाएंगे एंड डे बाय डे वो अपने आप इम्प्रूव होगा. रिलैक्स. देयरआफ्टर हम दूसरे पैर से भी ट्राई करेंगे. दोनों पैर से ट्राई करना ज़रूरी है, अदरवाइज हमारी सिमेट्री बिगड़ सकती है. मीन्स इफ़ वी वुड बी डूइंग सिमेट्रिकली दैट वुड बी बेटर, अदरवाइज लेग वुड बी हर्टिंग, वन लेग वुड बी मोर हर्टिंग एंड द अदर माइट नॉट बी हर्टिंग. सो वी हैव टू डू इन सिमेट्री. कंटिन्यूसली स्ट्रेच एंड ट्राई टू गो एज मच डाउन एज यू कैन. All these stretching are easier and all of them are while sitting. So all the asanas which are related with the sitting you would be able to perform, which are including forward bending. After that spread the both leg wide and now it would be giving you stretch on the inner thighs completely. What you have to do, spread the leg as much wide as you can. जितना भी अपने पैर को wide open कर सकते हैं उतना पैर को wide open करेंगे. Left, middle, right. Continuously bend left, middle, right. So what you are doing, you are trying to bend and when you are bending on the left the muscles are getting stretched in that way. When you are bending in the middle the inner thighs are getting stretched and when you are bending to the right hamstring muscle is getting maximum stretch. लगातार करेंगे एंड इससे आपके फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग में इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा. एंड साथ ही साथ इसमें जब आप बैठ करके भ्रूणमन आसन करते हैं उसके लिए भी ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़फुल है. सेम पोजीशन पर आप अपने दोनों हाथ सामने रख करके स्लाइड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन पुट द बोथ हैंड्स ऑन द फ्लोर एंड ट्राई टू स्लाइड इट फॉरवर्ड. कंटिन्यूसली स्लाइड एंड फील द स्ट्रेच ऑन द इनर थाइज. It is beneficial for hormonal imbalances also. We are just doing as a stretching. When we would be learning the asana related with that, then we would be looking that which part it is beneficial. Now the fifth stretching, that is from the position of butterfly. Make the legs like the butterfly and try to bend downward. Try to put your elbows down. अपने elbows को ज़मीन पर टच करने की कोशिश करेंगे butterfly position पर. Try to feel the stretch on the inner thighs completely. अपने inner thighs में completely stretch को महसूस करेंगे. Try to slide the hand continuously, and even if you are unable to stretch completely, that is fine. Initially, it is not important that you are able to perform 100% of the stretching. Even if you are doing 30 to 40% of a particular stretching, that is more than enough. Relax. So if you want to join online yoga classes, you can get the details on the given WhatsApp number, and I would be trying to respond. You can contact me directly. Thanks for watching till the end. This was the part 1. Go for part 2 and part 3 after this, and you would be learning and opening the body from basic till advanced level after if you are doing this video daily.